Here we go, brake! Yeah!
You brake, but it sank.
All right,
are you braking or just stopping pedaling?
We're going for a pop wheel.
Oh God, this is gonna be awesome. He's gonna do a pop wheelie. Do it! You should probably do it going the other way though, I don't know.
I think he realizes how dangerous it is.
I'm certain he doesn't, but...
Oh, car!
Do it now! Go now!
I'm embarrassed. What the fuck are you guys doing?
I guess you learned it.
Or he's just waiting for you.
Get out of the way, man.
Being that he parked in front of somebody's... No, not somebody's driveway. This is awesome. Do a pop wheelie onto the curb. Brake! Brake! Are you braking or? Like now put the, when you're going through, continue pedaling and brake. He's gonna unplug it. It's easier to unplug it.
Hey, but you lost the bet. What did you do? You broke.
Pedaling. John, continue to pedal and hold the brake. Keep pedaling and push the brake. Did it work? I take that as a no.
I'm holding my brake.
Yeah, but did it really do a whole lot while you were pedaling and holding the brake in the puddle?
I guarantee I'll stop, like dead stop right now.
Continue pedaling though.
There you go.
You stop. He doesn't understand.
Just keep pedaling as you brake.
Yeah, hold the brake and pedal. He sucks.
Something bad will happen.
This is gonna be awesome. John should have been in front of that. Pedal and brake. Are they really doing a whole lot?
No.
That's what I thought.
What? I broke.
You didn't break anything yet.